Rich Lewis Jr. and we're going to do a final view of after the cleans. You've seen it before, and now here's the finished product with the immaculate work these gentlemen have done today on this 31-foot tiara. So I'm going to hand it down into the water, and you guys will get a bird's eye view of how nice it looks now with this maintenance program. Diver just handed me the camera. You got a before and after picture, some close-up shots of what goes on. Thanks for tuning in. It's Rich Lewis Jr. 561-900-6363. I'll see you again.